auto close ensures that the doors are completely closed even if shut in a hurry. Comfort Stop slows the glass door effectively, gently and quietly. It creates a real sense of security. The ultimate in comfort, pleasant temperature, peace and quiet are guaranteed. Comfort Stop prevents the door slamming shut with the associated noise and vibrations. It provides reliable protection against damage and glass breakage. It integrates perfectly into any space. Inside, a revolutionary design principle ensures outstanding quality and longevity. The interaction between the individual system components is key. These are perfectly arranged in two aligned system sections. System Section 1, End Stop, Cushions and Activator Arm with Activator Catch. System Section 2, Actuating Fork, Cushioning System with Integrated Frictional Damper, Adapter Plate, Roller Assembly. The activator arm is held in its correct position when the facing is screwed on. The activator arm fixed to the end stop pushes the activator catch against the actuating fork of the cushioning system and sets it in motion. The actuating fork moves the connecting rod, creating a frictional counterforce in the piston. The actuating fork and connecting rod are slowed down until they're stationary. The actuating fork is pulled further in the direction of movement of the sliding door by the spring running parallel to the connecting rod. As a result of the fixed components, precise assembly is guaranteed. After the simple process of repositioning the doorstop position, the long-term functioning of the door is guaranteed. The end stop breaks any remaining movement thanks to the small gap deliberately included in the design and thus protects the actuating fork against excessive load. If other types of activators are positioned too far back, the activator catch can break off. The system remains operational at all times, even if the fork is in the wrong position. If other types of activators are positioned too far forward in the profile, the cushioning system in the wrong position will not work. The modular nature of the system for logistics and stocks adapted to customer requirements. 4 sashes weighing up to 120 kilograms with perfected glass clamping technology. 4 up to 80 kilograms with comfort stop and auto close. No need for glass to be cut out. This saves time and money. Comfort stop and auto close can be used on both ends of the door, either as it closes or opens. Deployment on the end of the door as it closes is recommended. Ease of assembly. Clamp the roller assemblies to the glass pane, attach the other system components, assemble the track, suspend and secure the sash. Finally, screw on the facing. Done. There's no need to attempt to fit the heavy sash into the facing. The systems are suitable for deployment in moist interior spaces. Certified in accordance with ISO 9001.